Hi friends! I want to sing a song with you. We are going to talk about manners in our book. So I want to sing our please and thank you song. We've been practicing how to say please and thank you. Do you remember? Yeah? That's wonderful. Great. We are going to sing our please and thank you, please and thank you. Our nice words, our nice words. We like to use your manners, we like to use our manners. Be polite, be polite. Please and thank you, please and thank you. Our nice words, our nice words. We like to use our manners, we like to use our manners. Be polite, be polite. Isn't that a fun song? We have a book to read about saying please. It's Penguin Says Please. Would you like to read it with me? Oh, great! Let's see. It's morning, and Penguin's mom goes in to wake him up. Good morning, Penguin. How are you? Look, he's stretching. He's saying, oh, good morning. I'm hungry. Give me something to eat. I'm thirsty. Give me something to drink. I'm cold. Give me my socks. Well, Penguin, let's see. No, Penguin. First, you must say please. We have to say please, right? Please, may I have something to eat? Very good manners, Penguin. Here are some goldfish. Yum. Soso likes to eat goldfish. Do you like to eat goldfish? Yeah? Please, may I have something to drink? Very good, Penguin. Here is some water. I like when you use your manners, Penguin. Please, can you help me find my socks? Very good, Penguin. I found one. Here you go. Now what do you say? I need the other sock. Oh my goodness. What did he forget? Please. He remembered. He remembered to say please. Good manners, Penguin. That was very good manners. He remembered to say please, and there he is. There's his other sock. He's gonna find it. I like when you use your manners. I have another book. It's about listening. Little Elephant Listens. Would you like to read this one too? Okay, I want to read it. Let's see. There's Little Elephant. Wow, Little Elephant. He has big ears. Where are your ears? These are Soso's ears. Yeah, but look at Little Elephant. He has really big ears, doesn't he? Little Elephant uses his big ears to listen. He listens to Papa Elephant. It's time to eat, Little Elephant. Oh my goodness, yum, yum, yum. Look at all the food. He has juice and pasta and oranges and carrots and lettuce. Oh, he's got pumpkin and looks like mashed potatoes and donuts. Ooh, we love donuts in the STARS class, don't we? Oh, yum, yum, yum. He has some bananas and watermelons. Wow, he's doing a very good job eating his dinner. Yum, yum, yum. He listens to Brother Elephant. It's time to play. Would you like the red car or the blue car? Oh, he looks so excited. He's ready to play with his brother. Here he comes. Oh, this is the way we drive the car, drive the car, drive the car. This is the way we drive the car. Beep, beep, beep. It looks like the brother elephant has the blue car and little elephant got the red car. Beep, beep. Coming through. Brum, brum. He listens to Mama Elephant. It's time for a bath, little elephant. Oh, he gets into the bathtub. Rub-a-dub-dub, elephant's in the tub, getting all squeaky clean. He rubs his head, he rubs his toes, and everything in between. He's getting all clean, splish splash, taking a bath. Look, he has a rubber ducky and some fishies and an octopus. He's got the soap and his bubbles. He listens to Papa and Mama Elephant. It's time for bed, little elephant. Big kisses. Mwah! Good night. Night, night, little elephant. And at bedtime, everyone else listens to little elephant. Oh my goodness, he's snoring. He's snoring so loud. He is so loud, he's keeping everyone awake. Look, they can't go to sleep. They're saying, oh my goodness, he's so loud. Ah, but he's sleeping. Night, night, little elephant. Thank you for reading that with me. I love to read stories with you. Thank you. Remember, So-So loves you. Big hugs and big kisses. Mwah! Bye-bye.